What's up, my people? How una dey today? Wetin dey play? The yarn is when I wan drop today na this Arsenal Chelsea matter. This Arsenal and Arteta love affair wey they get with Chelsea. The thing dey always dey make me dey laugh because I now wan see club when be say go comot for wetin they need, carry money go dey buy wetin they no need, and with that thing when they no need, so they go buy am with big money. When Arsenal buy Havertz 65 million, they dash Chelsea the money. They no need Havertz. Havertz no fit their style of play. They buy am 65 million. Everybody shock. That one don't finish. This summer now, una never fit buy striker una need. Una never fit buy better winger. Make they score goal for left una need. Una they buy Madueke for 50 million. How many goals Madueke does score for a full career? At least I watched some Chelsea games last season. I no see ball when that guy they play. Nobody go fit tell me say that guy better pass Wanere, that Arsenal youngster. So why una they buy am 50 million for waiting? Sometimes when I go look Arsenal and Arteta, I go they wonder. I be Chelsea they use juju for them. May we no know. Because I don't know why Chelsea players. Una don't even buy the one we good. Una go they buy dirty. Now, the one more with the year and say Chelsea won't buy Kundus. For Arsenal to spend that 15 million for Madueke, why they don't use and they go buy the Kundus? Because me never understand what they happen, what they play for this Arsenal team. Because you be like say the club not get direction. Okay, when Edu did that time, they thought say okay, Edu too young, Edu no wise. They make an do like not too wise, the boy doings. They don't sign experienced sporting director now better. It be like this one even come worst. Because I don't know which kind of nonsense be this one. Even the transfer window safe, I never see any exciting thing Arsenal don't do. Club we need attacking players. The first signing a keeper. What they want use keeper to do? I know what they want use keeper to do at a time like this. Don't be attacking players are supposed to buy. Okay, more won't leave that story. Wait till be this Madueke something. I've been a middle overreact. Because I don't see one special thing about that guy. Now when I say make Arsenal they buy him. And another thing, why be say every summer Arsenal like they give money to Chelsea. Because this thing now don't not come funny again. You they buy something from one place, you know they favor you, no go rest. Because I don't want to see any player when Arsenal don't buy from Chelsea. When I will say, wow, that guy don't ball for Arsenal. You know they happen like that. You know they happen. Arsenal, they see Sterling last season now. See Havertz before. Now you want to spend 50 million to do. They buy Abi Arteta they in love with Chelsea. We don't know. Abi Arteta na Chelsea fan. Arsenal fans, how na reason this matter? Mona enter comment section, won't align this matter. May not be like saying I made the overreact to I been made the overreact. My people, Mona not forget to like, Mona not forget to subscribe, Mona not forget to share, and Mona not forget to touch that bell when they up. My people, Mona do.